like it, this one, the light gray. This one doesn't have that weird orange accent that I would not want at all. Everybody's asking for the tow hook. Not there. Those are massive tires. Massive tires. Yeah, now I'm waiting. Now I'm waiting to get in there. So here we have the buttons for window lock the door. Same door bracket than on the other side. The little light that will blink the whole time. I don't see any warning light spot. Normal handle to adjust the steering wheel. Yeah, the buttons are just no real buttons, so just tiny switches. It's nice. So there we are. So here there's really no real button. It's nice. It takes a second till everything goes on. Auto, only light, daylight, light off. Let's look at the steering wheel. Like I said, steering wheel is flat on the bottom. And the bottoms here also. And they make a tiny vibration when you touch. Ooh, may I? Let's see. Oh, yes. Tiny vibrations when you think, and did it work? Yes, it worked. It does work. Goes from the middle to the outside. And the head-up display is right there. Tiny. And quiet. This. Sort of. Not all of them you can get into. Let's go somewhere else and check what else we can do. So many here. They're all busy. Great car. Oh, I give you all three colors at once. Light gray, white, dark gray, and the minty chocolate. So how many do you have here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 cars here. And everybody wants how everything works, and that's why I can't get into the car, the driver's seat, even though it's so early. So I'm still here at the Volkswagen stand, and here in the back should be an Id.3, yeah, the white one. And as a pre-booker, I got a little gift. I got the cute socks and the weird camouflage. Yeah, fanboy here. And I got the little car. That's cute. And it's in white. I want it in white. So I found out a few things, and that's good. We'll talk about them later. And we'll go and look on different cars. quite exhausting. God, I whine the whole time, huh? But it's great to see the car. It's really great. Look at it. It's nice. Good exposure there. Nice. Yeah, it looks nice. And I should have brought a t-shirt to change because, oh my God, I sweat. It's warmer in here than I thought. Outside it's not that warm. Ooh, and somebody recognized me. They're just walking by. Talking to me in English, even though he's German. Hello, make English videos. Who cares where I'm from? Yes. So I want to find a bit more of a quiet spot and then talk about all the stuff that I know. So I found a woman that I wanted to ask many questions about the Id.3, but she basically didn't know anything that was a bit under the surface. So if the leather is real leather or vegan, or what country will get delivery of the car earlier, she didn't know anything. So that was a bust. But what we found out something. So on, when was it? On Tuesday evening, I got the email that you can say what color you want. So the pre-booking reservation, something. You can say what color of the car, what version you want for the first edition. And I got a little thing what they have. So the normal first edition only has navigation system, digital radio, steering wheel and seat heaters, and armrests, and the normal Schuko charger for home, and 18-inch wheels. The Plus version, the one that I have my eyes set on, has backup camera, adaptive cruise control, the keyless entry where no start-stop button, some design blah blah, 2 USB-Cs, and we saw that in the front and in the back, ambient lighting, then darkened windows in the back. What else we have? Exterior style package in silver, whatever that means. LED matrix headlights, matrix brake lights and blinkers, and 19-inch tires. And the Max, by the way, the base version will be under 40,000 euros. I didn't say the exact number. The Plus version 46,000 under. So I'm guessing 45,500 or something. And the top version Max under 50,000 euros. I'm not gonna buy that. Way too expensive. Get the long range Model 3 almost for that. No. And the Max has of course the AR head-up display, a different sound system, Beats, the panorama roof, and 20-inch tires. And then it has the emergency assist and lane keep assist that I don't need. And then a charger for your phone, wireless charger. What else do we have? That's it. And different seats. So this is the Max. I'm not getting that. Let's go to my car again. Just sit in there and really sit. There we are again, Id.3 country. Everybody loves the car. Oh, look at that white up there. The white looks awesome. It's busy. It's a magnet. Ooh. That's new. That's new. Haven't seen that. Is changing the display. Let's look at the boot space again. Achso. No, it's good, danke. Ooh, and it looks nice that it holds there. And it's closed. Did I see a 12-volt outlet in there? I can't remember.
Aber jetzt können Sie einmal da über die streichen, genau. Sie können aber auch an Ihrem Lenkrad über die Bedienungstasten eben auch streichen. Sie können drücken, einmal haptisch. Oder Sie streichen von links nach rechts.
Wow. Okay, so I tested it again. I was sitting in there, playing around with it a bit, and it seems good. And what I just learned a few things. Number one, no 12 outlet in the front, only in the trunk. It has 2 USBs, I think in all versions in the front, another 2 USB-C, all USB-C, sorry, in the back, 2 USB-C only for if you have Plus or Max. A heat pump only in the Max version, Plus version doesn't have heat pump. That's weak, that's really weak. I saw that the volume, so volume for your sound system, of course you can scrub around left and right, and you have buttons on your steering wheel where you can press, but also on the steering wheel you can also slide. So if you just slide to the right, it's louder, slide to the left, it's quieter. And I just saw that the steering wheel can be adjusted up, down, and in, out. When I was at the other car, you have to press really hard, but it works. It works. What I'm a bit concerned about is that the instrument cluster is connected to the steering wheel. So if you adjust the steering wheel height, the instrument cluster goes with it. That means normally when you're sitting and, I cannot see the instrument cluster very well, you adjust the steering wheel so you can see it better. Here, it's about the height that you sit in the car. So we'll see about that. Maybe it's no problem at all, but it's just something to think about. So what I can say is that the car is smaller than you think from the outside. You look at it, and for me it looks like a Golf. It looks like the same size, and it's a bit taller. It doesn't look that tall. And inside it's very spacious. It feels very nice. It feels very clean. A lot of spots to put something, and a lot of pockets. I think they did it really well. The steering wheel buttons and everything. I think that they did a good job. I like it. And like I said before, the charge port has this. So it has this here, so no water comes in. So the Type 2 doesn't need protection, only DC. And this thing, it seems sturdy enough. This is just my color. And the wheels look good too in this. Looks very sporty in this white with the black roof. Yeah. Yes, the trunk looks great. And there's no pattern now. See, there's no pattern on the thing. So that's optional. But
You can watch this in the car.
But what's of course not so amazing is this here. I don't know why this is necessary. I mean, in black it's okay. Here you can see the head-up display.